Yeah, the celebration is like keep your head up.
Oh.
So it's to a positive message to everyone who's having like a hard time. If it's in football or in life, just keep your head up and keep on working, keep believing in yourself, and even in hard moments. So it's just a positive message for the kids, for everyone, even the older people. It's for everyone.
That's very nice.
Yeah, I told my mother every goal I make is going to be for my grandmother because she's the reason I'm here. And I know she will be really proud if she could experience all these moments. But now I think this goes also for the whole country. It's like the win means so much if you see how the people are cheering, smiling, even crying. So no, it's for the whole country. Of course, football is about moments that go so quickly. I thought about chipping it, but I don't really think a lot when I play football. So I just do whatever feels good, and luckily it was in the back of the net.
And it was right.
It was right.
Thank you.
Thank you for the question. Pertanyaannya adalah apa sih yang melalui pikirannya Ole di detik-detik, karena emang ada sedikit selisih waktu ya, beberapa detik untuk sebelum dia mencetak gol. Kata Ole emang waktunya gak banyak, tapi emang dia sempat mikirin untuk apa dia chip aja shotnya melewati kipernya, tapi emang benar waktunya tidak banyak, jadi dia melalui instingnya aja dan langsung ditembak dan berhasil untuk gol.